speakers.
Okay, yung pala yung lakas ita adiham.
Totoo daw.
Pero, kita daw doy. Iyak ko na to.
Oh, Angelica Ann.
Papirmahan na lang.
Person. Pakita rin kay Mama Pakit.
Ano, nakasurat niya daw, ma'am?
Shopee.
Opo.
Surprises and gifts delivery. Looking for a perfect surprise gift for your loved ones? Look, now we do Van Trunk Surprise. We just don't deliver gifts. We deliver memories. We deliver anywhere in Lady and Samar. Anniversary Van Trunk Surprise.
You're my only reason. You're my only truth. I need you.
Thank you so much to Rachel and Ma'am Chi. Thank you for trusting surprises and gift delivery. Happy to end the anniversary.
You're my only reason. You're my only truth. I need
Hello, good morning again for today's video, guys.
Hello guys, good morning. For today's video, may ada kita na iso-surprise nga second anniversary. So, bound kita na San Francisco East, alang-alang Leyte. So, ayun, maraming salamat, dear sender, for trusting surprises and gift delivery, for being a part of your anniversary surprise. So, ayun guys, sana mapasaya natin si Ma'am Angelica sa hatid nating surprise sa kanya ng kanyang minamahal na sender. So, ayun guys, abang-abangan nyo lang. Just sit back and relax and keep safe. God bless and peace out.
So yan guys, abangan nyo po kung mapaprank natin ang ating celebrant for today's video. Bye! Thank you for trusting surprises and gift delivery. Bye!
Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Palagi kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon. At pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo.
Ay, Ma'am Angelica, Ma'am Adi po deliver nga ano to, speaker speaker nga speaker. Opo. Man Angelica tarasin nyo? Speaker? Opo. Kanan is flash, yung pala yung lakas niya amon. Nag-order ka po ha online shopping?
Pero there is speakers.
Okay, yung pala yung lakas ita adiham.
Totoo daw.
Pero, kita daw doy. Iyak ko na to.
Oh, Angelica Ann.
Papirmahan na lang.
Person. Pakita rin kay Mama Pakit.
There is speakers.
Ano, nakasurat niya daw, ma'am?
Shopee.
Opo.
Totoo daw.
I promise I'm yours, always and forever, through the good and the bad, for worse or for better. I wanna be with you for the rest of my days. I promise I'm yours, always and forever, through the good and the
Happy anniversary, ma'am!
Through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy.
Happy anniversary!
They can say I've lost my
Kita ko ni Mama Nia siya.
I don't care if they call me crazy.
Birthday ko.
Singko asya na ada sa dia asya na ko na ada. Ayan, ma'am. Happy anniversary daw po. Sabi ni Sir. Happy second anniversary, my love.
Another day without your smile.
Ayan, wait. Sure.
Another day
May mapakulo si Sir.
passes by.
Oh. Kamusta ni ma'am ngayon?
How much it means
Ayan, happy anniversary.
for you to stay right here with me.
Ayan po. Surprise.
Time we spend apart
Ayan ma'am, na-surprise ka po sa hatid na surpresa ni Sir. May pa-chocolate
but it
pa.
hurts so bad I can't take it
At saka may teddy bear nga malaki. Ito ang message.
I wanna go
May paminsahe pa si Sir. Ayan po. From Surprises and Gift Delivery po ma'am. Si Sir is nag-contact po sa amin. Tapos, may message po siya sa'yo. Happy second anniversary, my love. 2 years down and my heart beats for you. Louder than ever. If I could, I compose a symphony of our love and play it for the world. There's no more beautiful melodies in our journey together. Happy anniversary, my love. 2 years into our love story. And I'm convinced our hearts have their own song. It's a tune that gets our beautiful with time. Just like my love for you. Here's to composing a lifetime of happiness together. Love. Wow! Sana all! Lagi! Lamat mo kubag. Sige ma'am, ano lang ang imo message po para kan Char?
So, karawad man.
Sige, okay lang.
Thank you for the gift. Actually, expected ko, pero di ko expect na may legendary. May paluto and all. Thank you for being there for all the way sa lahat ng bagay, sa mga problema ko. Always there, baby, and I love you.
Sana all mo. Okay ma'am, thank you so much po. And thank you so much ma'am Che and Sir. Thank you so much at na-prank po natin siya. Magbabayad na siya ng Bluetooth speaker.
You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm
Thank you so
feeling.
much. Picture muna kayo.
You gave me a meaning to my life, and I've gone beyond existing. And it all began when I met you.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days will all be empty. The nights will seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. You're my only reason. You're my only truth.